Hi, I'm Darren and I'm here to tell you about SMARTBOND, the bond strengthener by L'Oréal Professionnel. Use SMARTBOND with DRHS or D-Light Clear as a smart gloss service. This is a great way to add extra gloss to your client's hair or to introduce a client to colour for the first time. SMARTBOND is so simple and easy to use. Prepare your D-Light or DRHS Clear mix as normal with no change in oxidant strength. Measure SMARTBOND step 1 and add 4 ml for every tube of colour. Apply and develop as normal with no change in the development time. Rinse well and towel dry hair. Remember, don't shampoo. Apply SMARTBOND step 2, 4 to 8 pumps depending on the hair length. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse well and shampoo, condition and style as normal. The results? Glossy, shiny hair that feels softer, stronger and shinier.